Just a few years ago, if you wanted to learn something like this or something like this, you had to learn VFX. But in 2026, it's now easier than ever using AI. You don't have to learn every single thing. Just understand how to use the AI to achieve any look like this or like this, and you'll be able to create something fantastic and bring out your creativity just like this. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create something like this or how to change yourself in a video, replace it with any character you want, and you can explore your creativity using this trick you're learning right here in any of your future videos. Whether short form video, whether short movie here and there, but make sure you're doing things that do not get you copyrighted in the future. But for creative videos like this, where I can have myself replaced to anyone just like this, I'm teaching you how to do that right now. I'm not taking any money from you. I'm teaching you for free. A lot of people are teaching this on the internet, charging some money here and there, but I'm teaching you how to do it for free because I believe knowledge should be given free. Without wasting your time, I'm Desi, and let me teach you how to do this AI character swap easily. Let's begin. To have someone else replace you in a video, you need 3 steps basically. First, you need who you want to replace in the video. Yourself, you want to replace it with someone else. You also need Gemini, which we'll be using, as well as Higgsfield AI, which will allow you to animate the character you put in your video just like this. So let's first start with Gemini. To be able to change yourself to any character, you first need a reference image to be able to do that in Gemini. So record a video of yourself in any location. Like I'm recording myself in my studio. Just record a video to a certain amount of length. Take a screenshot of a particular frame in the video. That is, take a screenshot of yourself. Now, once you have the screenshot, open Gemini. Click on Create Image. We are going to be using Nano Banana, which will allow you to create the image we are going to need for the video. Now, upload your screenshot. That's the image of yourself. And input this prompt. I have added the prompt to the description of this video, so click on it and just copy it. If you want to type it out as well, I've written, keep the background of the image the same and replace the subject with, then you add who you want to replace. In this case, I want to replace myself with Cristiano Ronaldo, the footballer. So keep the background of the image the same and replace the subject with the famous footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo. When you do this, what it does is it changes your face, typically, or changes the entire body, typically, with Cristiano Ronaldo. But sometimes it will give Cristiano Ronaldo the same clothes you're wearing, which I did not want. So I said, change the outfit too. That lets it know that I don't want it to look exactly like me. It should look like Cristiano Ronaldo with his own clothing on himself, not what I'm wearing. And now you give it time for Gemini to do its thing. It takes a few minutes, 1 minute, some seconds, and it generates an image just like this. Now, once you've got this image, simply click on the download button to download it to your PC or your phone. So now I've got a character I want to replace in a video. We've got the image, Gemini has generated it for us, and we have it saved and downloaded, ready to go. Now open Higgsfield AI. That is the AI platform that's going to allow us to be able to change the character in a video to Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Higgsfield AI. I think for the first time, you get some free credits that can allow you to do this. But subsequently, you have to buy credits or buy monthly subscriptions. I bought credits for like 200 Ghana cedis. That gave me a lot of credits. So I'm able to generate continuous amount of videos or continuous amount of AI situations I'd want to do in my video. But for free, I think you get some free credits you can also use. So don't really stress about that. Sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll sign in. Now, once I'm signed in, I see a bunch of AI tools. There's literally so many AI tools within Higgsfield that allows you to do so many things. There's a studio level sequel that allows you to prompt things and create your own movie. There's So2, there's Clink Public. There's even a contest going on that allows you to earn money. We'll get to that in a minute. But you can also create images, edit videos, create your own videos. There's so much you can do within Higgsfield. But what you're looking for is called motion control, which you see right here. So click on motion control. Now, remember the video we recorded earlier, the video of yourself we took the screenshots from. Get a portion of that video. So if it's up to 3 to 30 seconds, get a portion of that video and upload it as your reference video. That is, add motion to copy. Click on that and upload that video you recorded. Now for add your character, add a character Gemini was able to generate for us. That is Cristiano Ronaldo. So click on it. Now for quality, you can select 720p or 1080p. 1080p gives you the best quality possible, but it takes time to generate. So if you're in a hurry, just choose 720p. If you're not in a hurry, choose 1080p. And for scene control mode or the reference, choose image, because it will take the reference from the image and be able to motion control it to the video. And that's basically it. Tap on generate, which will take you some credits. And once you're done, you'll be able to generate a video just like this. Now, when you're done with generating your video and it comes out the way you want it to look, you can take it to whatever editing software you have, whether it's CapCut, DaVinci, Premiere Pro, whatever you have, and play around with it. Try to infuse it in your video, in your scene, to get something cinematic or get something creative like this. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you found it helpful, as well as sharing this with someone who will find this useful in the future, present, or whenever. I'm Desi, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in my next video. Peace.